The time is, oh. Anyway, anytime is a time. The time is anytime. The news injustice. A road in Tamale is demonstrated in an angry manner, which is the constitutional breaking of Article 024. Article 024, Section 2 or the 17, which says that a road is having the right of a human right through the ejaculation of immaturity of the potholes in the road. Because Kulinyavela Road is an example of the very bad natural born roads in Tamale, which pregnant woman is abortion. Oh, please, can I get a dictionary? What is the meaning of abortion? Abortion is a process where a woman shoots uncompleted baby through the news in Dagbanle in English. Labe nyala dem nka dare te tudu bolongona onworni cha leba nyala ran vianyelanga te tamel dama pune yibambe chang shekorte cha leba nyala bi ngun pangdo ma kale je shekur kende ko lu cha leba banyala banza ka kulu chela bon wala ko hamana te tamel dangone hal ka ba shabri sirgali ngpan shirla kayayo wala abana yenyengole macho zan kul dongo yana. Child labor is a natural born disease in which poverty is downloaded into the packet of the parents of these children. Children is one child, 2 children. Children's. Yes. Any children is a children, but 2 children is a children's. Bepam yala banke tamada wan teshir kayayo. Kaza hashikur kiane. Wala la kamer bo froda nang da kabe parliament hal kara foto sahara ta pachin kinan yala dam bogre sabul godana ai kara yitala la ka lo yamun da nang ha ka da pigo vice president kana wanda ba zalle ka dang bla ka jo ma pro ko zang hal telia president ai mbanama mmanama ke akiza alabi children so funa pam domin bangsam bo nyala den nang accurate and inaccurate in the citizen vigilante of the northern region. Kazuchi Intanya Buana Tamel Dango Punazan Tavako Hagolan. Why? A Tamel Danavano Maga for Tazabia Pune. Newsman not going by to say, come on. And non Kakila Kitma one rule come for ya. No war again. Miniaba Sabra, Tabatazania Zayin. Vanunia Dambazella. Hey, man, not behind ya. I not to so that's a poor Navora, then I saw now your family. Dama, and then Uncle when she repeat. Afa, I change your Ghanaian language and calling your back is shanga oh bro. Now, I don't want Jimmy Kiana. Eh? Now, some crash Mukoya. Afa, this nonsense. To be a non lion. Jagunya Dayan, Tadama, go on to see it. It's okay.